What's cracking, y'all? So, it is like 5 o'clock. Is it like 5 o'clock? Yeah, it is 5 o'clock. And it is early for daylight. We're going to hit some game management this morning. We got a little drive ahead of us, and I got a friend coming. He's going to pick me up. So, not sure what to expect this morning. I don't know if they're going to be gobbling like crazy this morning. I don't know, because last night we had a big storm front come in, and it brought a lot of cooler weather with it. And you know, things have cooled off a lot. Like the past week or so, it's been like freaking hot the time it wakes up. But now, since it's cooler weather, I don't know what to expect. But we're gonna get on down there, and hopefully they'll be gobbling their heads off, and hopefully we can get one down. Let's get on down there. Found some tracks too. Yeah, I found some tracks. Alright, ooh, you can have one follow this morning. Easy. One of those days, huh? One of those days. Yeah. You said he called it too. It's gonna be one of those days. I can tell it already. Ain't even got started. Oh man. Yep. I mean, he's gobbling at least, but I like to know what he's doing. I don't know if he's going further away. All right. Man, he roared that time. I mean, roared. All right, go ahead. He can't stand it, can he? See, he knows that hen's up here, and he hears him right beside. Look, there he went again. All right, so right now at this point, yeah, he's still gobbling, but he ain't coming. So we gotta make a move, and I think we're gonna try and fall back about 50 yards, 40 yards, and make it sound like that hen is going away from him, and hopefully he'll get to panicking, and he'll start coming our way. That's the plan, because right now he ain't doing nothing but standing in one spot gobbling. Ooh, he's pissed off when I gobbled back at him. But that hen, he got pissed. I got him fired up. But yeah, we're gonna drop back about 40, 50 yards and see what happens. So we done dropped back about 40, 50 yards, and he's still gobbling pretty good. But still hoping he's gonna come this way and break and just try to move this way more. Since it sounds like he's gonna think that hen's going away and she's losing interest, and hopefully he'll come more this way looking for her instead of us trying to go to him. We're hoping that's what's gonna happen. But so I don't know. We'll see. Getting further and further away every time. Every time getting further and further away. Alright, so you know what? I'm making a move. I ain't playing this game. Ain't got but a few days left in the season. Not playing this game. If I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna go out with a bang. So I'm gonna try and make another move and get one last try before I have to leave. See if we can make it happen. Oh man. Pretty much hunt's over. There really ain't no sugarcoating in there, is there? Hunt's over. Nah, we ain't kill it. That ain't why hunt's over. He ran, that's why. Nah, but when we came up on this road right here, we came off of this bottom right here. and there's a hill that goes straight up that comes right up on this road, and he was standing. Ronnie was directly in front of me, and I was right behind him coming up the hill, and sure enough, like right here in this grassy area, there was he was standing right here on this road. And we kept wondering to ourselves, why wouldn't he come to us? He would gobble and gobble and gobble, but would not come. And it sounded like he was walking back and forth. He'd gobble over here, then gobble over here. And finally we came up, and sure enough, we couldn't have helped it. I mean, as soon as we came up the hill, he was right here in our face. And Ronnie, he tried to put the bead on him, but he was a little fast though, wasn't he?
A lot of fast.
Yeah, he was a lot of fast, really fast. But he ran up through yonder, and he was gone. And we got fresh tracks of him just walking up and down this road, strutting like crazy. But
I wouldn't know that road was here.
yeah, wish we knew the road was here. We didn't even know this was here. We didn't until we walked up on it and scared that bird. Which makes perfect sense now that we see it from where we was hearing that bird, and how it sounded like he was going back and forth. He was on this road. Makes perfect sense. So, but that's how it goes, y'all. That's how it goes. Which we knew it was going.
One just gobble.
Really?
One just gobble. Down there by the track.
All right. Well, we're gonna walk down.